Alrighty, hey guys, this is Garrison over here at Massey Toyota. Let's take a look at the most recent model year of the Toyota family sedan that sells nearly 400,000 units consecutively every year. Now this is going to be a 2019 Toyota Camry XSE. It is in the midnight black exterior with the ash leather. You have your smart key access, so you do have your LED turn signals and daytime running lights. Coming to our window sticker, as we said, midnight black with ash Camry XSE sedan. And this one's going to be a 4-cylinder model. As far as the options, we have the navigation as well as the pano sunroof. Also, Toyo Guard Platinum, clear print protection door package, and phone charger for a total of $34,142. Gas mileage is 28 city and 39 out on the highway for a family sedan. That's pretty amazing. Coming down here to our wheels, Bridgestone Turanza tires with your 19-inch XSE wheels. Then coming around back, quad outlet exhaust. So let's go ahead and hop in. Smart key access, so just go ahead and keep the key fob on you, hand behind the door handle to unlock. And then coming in, this one's been on a couple test drives. It's got 347 miles on it. So foot on the brake, press your button to start. So let's check out underneath the hood. And coming underneath our hood, this one does have the 2.5 liter dual overhead cam Dynamic Force i4. It's going to have D4S direct import fuel injection producing 206 horsepower, 186 foot-pounds of torque, all going to the front wheels through an 8-speed automatic transmission. Now you also do have the very potent 3.5 liter V6 that will light up the front wheels, but it does add a couple thousand to the price tag. So the 4-cylinder is more than adequate. We also do have a hybrid powertrain if you're looking for a little bit better miles per gallon. But let's go ahead and check out the interior. Now before coming in, over here in our side mirror, body color with turn signal indicators, heated, and you do have your blind spot monitoring integrated in. Now coming to your driver's seat, it is going to be fully perforated for your heated functions. Also, that ash leather does look very nice. All your power adjustments down below with your power lumbar also. Nice padded door panel, padded armrest right here, all automatic windows, power locks and power mirrors. Door steerage down below there. Over here to the left of the steering wheel, you also do have our automatic high beams, traction control, power trunk, and gas cap release. Coming to our steering wheel, it is going to be a 3-spoke leather-wrapped wheel, side bolster and grip extensions, paddle shifters mounted on the back. Right here we do have our 4-way D-pad for our center LCD between our gauges. You also do have your audio controls, as well as your voice commands and Bluetooth. And then over here on the right, you do have your cruise control, dynamic radar cruise, lane keep assist also. You have your automatic LED headlights, tap to 3 blinks blinkers, and then over on the right, your variable and speed wipers. And then coming to your audio system, right here, we'll go ahead and check out our sources. AM, FM, XM, CD, USB, Bluetooth streaming audio, as well as your iHeartRadio, Slacker, NPR, and auxiliary inputs. Now those audio sources, such as your iHeartRadio, Slacker, stuff like that, those are available when you do connect to your Intune app suite. Your head unit also does feature Apple CarPlay. So once you do connect up that phone, you go to your projection and you can connect up your device for CarPlay. You do have integrated navigation, which is a nice touch. You don't have to go through Scout navigation in the app. So you just go ahead and search your destination. And this is like a Google search. It searches points of interest, street, city, a specific address as well. So that's a nice, like any input can be registered in that search box. So you can see your full map right here with HD traffic. And then going home, a nice split screen view with your MPG, radio, and your map. Below that, dual zone auto climate controls. You do have your USB and auxiliary audio inputs, 12 volt, wireless phone charging, and some storage right there. And here's going to be the shifter for that 8-speed automatic transmission, sport mode and manual shift. Reverse does give you your rear view backup camera right here with multiple views. Cup holders, as well as your Eco, Normal, and Sport driving modes, as well as your brake hold feature so you don't have to keep your foot on the brake, power parking brake, as well as your tri-stage heated seats right here. Padded armrest with plenty of storage down in there, 2 charging USBs, Glove box is damped with all your owner's manuals in there. As you can see, the ambient lighting underneath your dash does look nice. Up top, auto dimming rearview mirror with garage home link. Mirror and vanity lights on your sun visor, as well as your LED map lights, SOS Safety Connect, and your controls for your massive panoramic sunroof. And we can go ahead and open that up. It is automatic, and so we'll go ahead and close that back up. And that about wraps it up for the front seat. Let's go ahead and check out the rear. And coming back here, that front seat was slid a little bit farther back than I'd have it for my 5'9" driving frame. And I still do have plenty of knee room, plenty of foot room down below for me to stretch out. Dual seat map pockets, rear AC vents. And then over here to my right, nice padded armrest with cup holders. You'd have adjustable rear headrest for your outboard passengers, as well as damped quartering handles and coat hooks. Up top, some map lights. Then over here on your door panels, that nice padded stitched leather, your automatic window, your premium JBL audio system is integrated into the door, and then you do have some door storage. Nice view of the dash right there. We'll go ahead and check out the cargo area, and then we can wrap up our video. And coming around back, just go ahead and press your button on the key to pop up in your trunk. Will come right open. Nice line trunk lid. It's finished nicely. Emergency release right there. Plenty of room with a 60/40 folding rear seat, accessible through these pulls right here. Underneath your cargo floor, that temporary spare tire and jack, and of course you do have a hook right here, so if you do ever need to change your tire, it's easily held up. And so that about wraps it up for this 2019 Toyota Camry XSE. Now, if you guys have any requests or videos to film on any of the 2019 Camry products or model lineup in general, feel free to comment down below, as I will be over here at Massey filming some content for you guys. But once again, thank you guys for watching. Feel free to check out Massey. All the information is in the description below. So I will see you in my next video.